Some of the virtual machines are located in a demilitarized zone, or DMZ. Veeam Games Inc. has stated that they will not allow additional ports to be opened. What sort of assumptions should be made and validated with the customer for proper application-aware backup to complete? Well, if we want to do proper application-aware, so what does that even mean? I'm gonna make some assumption on my own here to say, if we're talking about application-aware backups, the proper way to do that would be to actually put the checkbox in the job to enable application-aware backup. The alternative would be to try and use VMware tools of some sort, VMware tools key essence, but I wouldn't really call that proper, right? It's best effort consistency, essentially. So let's take a look here. What options do we have? And notice we have to pick two here. Number one says, Windows user access control will automatically be disabled for all Linux machines by properly configuring VMware tools. Don't really know why we are mixing this user access control or UAL with Linux because, well, it doesn't really make any sense, but automatically disabled. No, that just seems confusing. I think that's a distractor here. Veeam Cloud Connect gateways located in the demilitarized zone will have access to the Veeam backup and replication server. Well, Veeam Cloud Connect, are we dealing with Veeam Cloud Connect at all? I don't think that's the case here. Should take advantage of that, okay, but this is a customer, right? And so Cloud Connect, while you could use that as an enterprise customer, if they're looking to send backups to another site, being public cloud, that tells me it's not their site. And so this gateway should be on the service provider side, not in the customer's own DMC. So I'm going to say option 2 is also a distractor here. Now, in this case here, we have 2 answers, so there should be 5 options. There is, that's good. So let's see here. It will be possible to define guest interaction proxies to access virtual machines in the demilitarized zone and minimize the number of ports to open. That is a possibility. So guest interaction proxies are basically these machines that we can deploy out. And in this case, we would have some communication possibility, and maybe it's connected to 2 different networks so that we can reach it and it can talk to the machine inside. That could be a possibility. VMware tools revision will be within a supported range. That sounds reasonable because the way we use the application of processing is we first try to do that via the network, but we can also try to do it via the VMware tools. But anyway, we do want VMware tools to be there regardless. So let's take a look at the last one. It will be possible to deploy Veeam agents for virtual machines residing in a demilitarized zone. Well, don't really know why we would want to use agents for VMs when we have another way to do it. So I don't think this is not the way to go. Like, we shouldn't use agents unless we have a really good use case for it. So I wouldn't go down this path here. I would essentially use the guest interaction proxies and of course make sure we have VMware tools. That's going to be the way to go. So I'm going to go with options 3 and 4 in this example.